Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to force quit a completely frozen Adobe Illustrator on Windows without destroying your automatic background recovery files. If you use the standard close button or terminate the wrong process tree during an application hang, you risk wiping out the local cache files Illustrator uses to rebuild your canvas. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously on your keyboard to instantly launch the Windows 11 Task Manager. Look at the Processes list layout and find Adobe Illustrator. Do not click End Task yet. Right-click explicitly on Adobe Illustrator 2026 and click Go to Details from the context menu to jump directly to the live executable system layer. In the Details tab layout, your cursor will automatically highlight the active Illustrator.exe process block. Right-click Illustrator.exe, hover over Set Priority, and click Real Time. This forces Windows 11 to divert all processing power to the app, which frequently unfreezes the canvas for a few seconds so you can manually hit Save. If it remains completely locked up, right-click Illustrator.exe again and click Create Dump File from the Options list. This system rule creates a hard diagnostic snapshot, forcing the OS to lock the current file state cache inside your local temporary directory so it cannot be purged during a crash sequence. Once the dump file configuration confirmation pops up, click OK. Now, make sure Illustrator.exe is highlighted and click the End Process button in the top right corner to terminate the frozen software safely. Finally, simply double-click your Adobe Illustrator icon to relaunch it. The internal recovery engine rules will read the preserved cache layout and automatically pop open your project with a recovered tag. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.